I did this glam skull look, so like a half cut crease on top and then the full skull kind of glam look in the bottom. I hope you guys like it, and let's get right into the video.
Family channel video, right?
Look at my nails, they're so nice.
But what should we do? I got an idea.
Alright, so I did this eye off camera, so I'm gonna do this eye now. So I'm gonna set my, well, prime, whatever, my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. And I'm gonna be using the Jaclyn Hill palette. Insert ASMR clip, whatever. And I'm gonna be using Creamsicle and this other shade. I don't remember the names of the shades because the palette is at my sister's house. So I'm just gonna, like, you know, eyeball it. And I'm going in with this orange shade with this medium blender brush from Vanity Planet, and with the Morphe 12P palette I'm gonna go in with this pink shade to give it like a pinkish look, and then going back with the Jaclyn Hill palette I'm going in with this burgundy shade and just putting that on the outer corner. Yo, I thought the Morphe 12P palette had a mirror. I'm so dumb. Anyways, I'm just putting that there. Now I'm gonna cut the crease. Girl, you moving too fast. Damn. I'm cutting the crease. Yes, it's a half cut crease. Cut that crease. And then I'm going to... What am I doing? Oh, I'm setting it. And I'm just gonna like go back with the colors I did. And then going with this 2 shimmer colors. I'm gonna put that one in the middle and then the other one on the outer. Yeah, that one in the middle. I mean outer. Bro. I mean inner. Oh my gosh. It's just Spooktober. That's how crazy it is. It's Spooktober. That's why I'm so spooked. It's a spooky tutorial. Going in with the Milk primer, the invisible stick. I'm going through that with my pores. You know, where the pores be at. On my nose, on my chin, everywhere. Pores be gone. Now I'm priming my face with the Gwillards, don't know the name. And I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just gonna use, not Pro Concealer, whoa. What's that called? Foundation. I'm just gonna link everything in the description box below because I'm a mess. And I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, I think, and just blending that all out. You know, and setting that with the Laura Mercier. Oh, I also added eyelashes. When did I do that? Damn, I'm fast. Now I'm going with this Eyes Profusion palette, and I know it's really dusty, but I'm using the gel black eyeliner to start the skull. So I'm just making the shape of the skull, which is like a downwards thing. I was just eyeballing it, and I'm doing this thing with my eyebrows, like on the edge of my eyebrows, and I think I look kind of crazy, so I don't know. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna take that off because I didn't realize how crazy I looked. But I'm just like doing the nose shape, you know, the skeleton nose. I'm just eyeballing it from my picture I saw on Google, you know, and then like putting my own twist to it, you know. Now I'm going with this black shade from the with Jaclyn Hill palette. I did this way too fast, but I'm just gonna go in and just like fill it in, you know, fill it in, and I'm gonna outline it a bit more because it kind of disappeared. Cue music while I keep on filling everything in. Yeah. So I'm just gonna add some of the black eyeshadow to my forehead and the outer corner, and I'm going in with the pink shade from the 12P palette and filling in my nose with that, and adding some of the shimmer colors to it. Now I'm doing the teeth and the mouth, so I'm just putting like a line through there and just putting lines in between every part of my lips. And I'm using the eyeliner look to get the black on my lips. And I realized I looked stupid, so I took that off, and instead of black I put pink, which I think suited it way better. Yes, good job, good thinking. And yeah, I'm adding the black eyeshadow to my under lashes. Wow, I'm adding the black eyeshadow to my lower lashes because I think that adds more of like a dead effect, you know what I mean? It's, but I say you know way too much. Now I'm just adding some highlight because even if though you're skull, you still gotta be glam, you know? You still gotta glam it up. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter and trophy wipe. And boom, I thought I looked bomb. Ooh, work it, girl. Work it, sister. Now, get back to filming the video. What are you doing, sis? What are you doing? But yeah, I'm just filling in my lips with the gel eyeliner because I don't have a black lipstick. And yeah, and then I'm going to add the shimmer shade that I use for my eyes and put it on my lips just because it's a glam skull, so we glam now.
What is that?
Look at me now. Look like a skull?
Look like a skull that got punched in the eye.
We glamming and boom, that's it. That's the finished look. That's your glam skull out here, and she's popping and she's fire. Boom. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween tutorial, and please expect many more to come. This is my version of a glam skull, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And August is talking in the back. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Subscribe.